Sometimes when you hear the word integration, it's just become another word for compatible. But if you dig a little deeper, you'll see that there's a big difference between compatibility and true synergy. There's many benefits that a truly integrated platform can bring, and Kaspersky calls this the synergy effect. Because every component of Kaspersky's endpoint security for business is built from a unified code base, we're uniquely capable of delivering a unified security platform. Each feature leverages and complements the others through one central console. This reduces complexity and saves you time and money. Let's take a look at some of the benefits. Kaspersky Security Center is our tightly integrated administrative console, which covers every aspect of endpoint security, from anti-malware to data protection to mobile device and systems management. It's important to note that this isn't middleware we're talking about, or a console that simply aggregates several different applications into one. The Kaspersky Security Center and all of its associated modules and agents were developed by Kaspersky from a unified code base. Security policies and reporting are managed through a single database, which integrates with external resources such as LDAP and Microsoft Active Directory. A single database means there's no need to keep syncing with different servers or data sets. Everything is installed once on the same server and is managed by the same console. Integration is important not just within the administrative tools. The synergy effect is true for endpoints too. Functions such as anti-malware, control tools, data protection modules such as encryption use a single agent architecture. This dramatically streamlines performance and reduces the resource footprint. This means there's no more separate agents for each security and management function, no more compatibility issues stemming from multi-vendor conflicts, and you'll have significantly less client compatibility testing. Just one single and easy installation task with no dependencies and no requirements for numerous reboots. Kaspersky's single agent architecture allows you to set just one active policy for a user group. For example, a single policy covering anti-malware, firewall, encryption, and application, web, and device controls. Our network agent connects the endpoint with your administration server. It performs tasks such as inventories, vulnerability scanning, and patch management. You get a unified view with intuitive reporting on deployment and security status, with streamlined policy creation and enforcement tasks, all from a single pane of glass. Using Kaspersky Security Center allows you to manage and assign administrator privileges and view event logs from a single console. Just one log records all the actions, so there's no more drawing data from multiple separate consoles and servers. This unified rights management and logging gives you more control and insight over your remote administrator activity, and it enables a rapid incident response. You can also change or block admissions quickly in the event of a security incident. Unified management tools gives you increased security, and it simplifies audit control over IT operations and management. Kaspersky Security Center generates reports for all security and management functions with a common look and feel, providing the same terminology and structure across templates with no need to define separate reports for different solutions. Executive reporting right out of the box will also make your job a lot easier. Integrated dashboards and reporting bring a clearer, deeper view into all aspects of the managed client, including what policies have been applied, current status updates, and recent incidents. The convergence of endpoint security and systems management technology is a growing trend. Deeper integration of features such as patch management with application control creates multiple benefits. It drives efficiency, reduces complexity, and it creates an overall smaller footprint. Only Kaspersky offers all the functionality you need, from endpoint security to data protection, from mobile device management to systems management, in a single integrated endpoint protection platform.